Yeah, the students, in the previous video, we discussed about the basic formulas like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and maximum, minimum, average, today, and square root. And there is one more formula, that is count. So here, how can we count the number of values? So for example, here these values I want to count. How many number of values are there? I want to count. So then how can we apply the formula for count? Equal to COUNT, count of the cell addresses A2 colon A6. So you can see here the complete A2 to A6, all the cell addresses I have collected, and then press enter. Then automatically the number of values, how many values I have entered, those all values number it is displaying over here. And coming to the next topic, that is about how can we apply the formulas using insert function dialog box. How can we apply the formulas using insert function dialog box? So here I have taken the data like roll number, name, English, Hindi, Marathi, Maths, Science, SST, and 6 subjects I have taken, and the total, average, max, minimum, grade. So these column names I have taken, and the values, roll numbers, few of the roll numbers and the names, and so different for different subject, different marks I have taken. And here I want to display the total using insert function dialog box. Here you can see that on the formula bar there is an fx function, that is insert function icon. And otherwise when you click on this insert function option, then insert function dialog box will open, and the same dialog box we can able to get by using go to the formula tab and select the insert function button from the ribbon. When you click the insert function button from the ribbon, the same dialog box will be opened, right? So in easy method, there is an icon directly here by getting the insert function dialog box. So click on the insert function, and here you can see here there is some formulas already used earlier. So earlier whatever the formulas you have used, that all formulas will be displayed over here. Or else if the formula is not displaying over here, and you can type the formula here, SUM. So we wanted to add, so I'm using SUM and click go. Then automatically the sum formula will be selected and it will be shown, and click OK. And here click on the number one cell and erase those cell addresses, and select the cells, whatever the cells you want to add. So here I have selected from English to SST and press enter, then click OK. Then automatically the total is displayed, and drag down with the help of fill handle, then automatically the total is displayed. And the same way for a average also, you can click on the insert function icon, then insert function dialog box will open, and search the formula in the search box. And otherwise you can use the formula if it is available in the list, and click OK. And the same, you can erase the cells and select the cell addresses from here, and click enter and click OK. So then automatically the average is displayed, and for the remaining students you just simply drag down with the help of fill handle, then automatically the average is displayed here. Even for finding the maximum also, the same steps you can implement. Select the maximum and click OK, and select the cell addresses which is the maximum score, who got the maximum score from all the subjects, in which subject uh, the students got highest marks, then we can able to find out using the maximum function, and click OK. See, in 89 in science subject he got 89 marks, and also in Marathi also. So 89 marks is the maximum marks of all subjects of the Raju, and you can drag with the help of fill handle, then you can able to find out the maximum score of all the students. The same way you can apply the formula for minimum also, and you can able to find out who got less marks, in which subject he got less marks, you can able to find out easily. And click OK here and drag down. So the grade formula I'll discuss later. It is not there in the syllabus also, but we can able to find out the grade. It's a lengthy formula that I'll discuss separately about the grade. Hope you all of you understand about the. Hope you all of you understand about this. How can we apply the um, formulas using insert function dialog box?